You have to kill a girl. I hate her so much.
You have to kill a girl ته باید یوه جنۍ مړه کې kill ویل کېږي مړ کول. I hate her so much زه له هغې څخه ډېر نفرت کوم. hate ویل کېږي نفرت کول.
Don't worry, madam. I can do it. It will be a piece of cake for me.
Don't worry, madam. پریشانه کېږه مه میډمه. worry ویل کېږي پریشانه کېدل. I can do it زه دا کولی شمه. It will be a piece of cake for me دا زما لپاره ډېر زیات آسان وي. piece of cake ویل کېږي ملګرو ډېر زیات آسانه.
Bravo. I will see you soon. I am sending you the location. We have to meet.
Bravo, شاباس. I will see you soon زه به له تا سره ډېر ژر ګورمه. I am sending you the location زه تا ته لوکیشن درلیږمه. We have to meet موږ باید ملاقات وکړو.
Okay, madam. I will see you soon.
Okay, madam. صحیح ده میډمه. I will see you soon زه به له تا سره ډېر ژر ګورم.
What is she talking about?
What is she talking about? هغه د څه باره کې خبرې کوي؟
I have to talk to Peter. She is doing something wrong.
I have to talk to Peter. زه باید له پیټر سره خبرې وکړم. She is doing something wrong. هغه یو څه غلط کوي.
Jasmine, what happened? Did something happen?
Jasmine, what happened? څه واقع شول? Did something happen? آیا څه واقع شول؟
No. Judy was talking to someone over phone.
No, Judy was talking. Judy خبرې کولې to someone یو چا سره over phone په موبایل باندې.
She wants to do something. She wants to hurt my Rose sister.
She wants to do something. هغه غواړي چې یو څه وکړي. She wants to hurt my Rose sister. هغه غواړي چې زما روز خور hurt کی یعنی ضرر ورته ورسوي. hurt ویل کېږي ضرر رسول تاوان رسول.
What? She is making a plot.
What? So she is making a plot. هغه دسیسه جوړوي. plot ویل کېږي ملګرو دسیسه سازش ته plot ویل کېږي. څه دی؟
Please do something. She is a cunning girl.
Please do something. مهرباني وکړه یو څه وکړه. She is a cunning girl. هغه یوه چالاکه جنۍ ده. cunning ویل کېږي چالاکه.
Don't worry. I will talk to her right away.
Don't worry. پریشانه کېږه مه. I will talk to her right away. زه به له هغې سره همدا اوس خبرې وکړم.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
Stop being dramatic in front of me. What do you want to do?
Stop being dramatic in front of me. زما په مخ کې ډرامه بازي مه کوه. What do you want to do? ته څه غواړې چې وکړې؟
What are you talking about? I miss my mom.
What are you talking about? ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوې؟ I miss my mom. زه خپله مور میس کوم یادوم.
Mom, I wish you were my husband. You are very handsome.
I wish کاشکې you were my husband. ته زما میړه وای. You are very handsome. ته ډېر ښایسته یې. handsome ویل کېږي ښایسته.
Why are you standing there? Come here.
Why are you standing there? ته هلته ولې ولاړ یې؟ Come here. دلته راشه.
Here.
Have you lost your mind? What are you talking about?
Have you lost your mind? آیا ته خپل دماغ له لاسه ورکړی دی؟ What are you talking about? ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوې؟
I am talking about you, honey. Why do you love Rose?
I am talking about you, honey. زه ستا باره کې خبرې کوم honey یعنی خوږه. Why do you love Rose? ته ولې روز سره مینه کوې؟
Rose. I love you,
I love you, Peter. زه له تا سره مینه کوم پیټره.
Peter. I know you love me as
I know زه پوهېږم you love me as well چې ته هم ما سره مینه کوې.
well.
Stay away from me. What do you want
Stay away from me. له ما څخه لرې اوسه. What do you want to do? ته څه غواړې چې وکړې؟
to do? Get lost. I hate
Get lost. ورکه شه. I hate you. زه له تا څخه نفرت کوم.
you.
Help me, Rose, help me. Where
Help me, Rose, help me. کومک وکړه زما روزه. کومک زما وکړه. Where are you? ته چیرته یې؟
are you? Somebody save me. Peter has gone mad.
Somebody save me یو څوک ما وژغوریا. Peter has gone mad. Peter لیونی شوی دی. Rosa.
Rose.
Stop it,
Stop it Peter. بند کدا پیټره.
Peter.
Rose
Rose save me. Rose ما وژغوره.
save me.
What's going
What's going on here Peter. دلته څه روان دي پیټره.
on here, Peter?
Enough is enough. Judy cannot stay here anymore. She has to leave.
Enough is enough. بس دی نور بس دی. Judy cannot stay here anymore. Judy دلته نور نشي پات کېدلی. She has to leave my house. هغه باید زما کور پریږدي.
My house.
Peter. I told you before. Judy is all
پیټره I told you before. ما ته مخکې هم ویلي وو. Judy is all alone. Judy بالکل یوازې ده.
alone.
I will not listen to you anymore. You don't know anything about her.
Rosa I will not listen to you anymore. زه به تا ته نور غوږ نه نیسمه. You don't know ته نه پوهیږې anything about her. د هغه باره کې مطلب د هغه باره کې ته هیڅ هم نه پوهیږې.
She is not your friend. She will leave this house. That is my ultimate decision.
This is not your friend. She is not your friend. هغه ستا ملګری نه ده. She will leave this house. هغه به دا کور پریږدي. This is my ultimate decision. دا زما اخیرنۍ فیصله ده. Ultimate ویل کېږي اخیرنۍ ته او decision ویل کېږي فیصلې ته.
Rose. I cannot stay here. I will leave this house forever.
Rosa I cannot stay here. زه دلته نشم پاتې کېدلی. I will leave this house. زه به دا کور پرېږدمه forever د همیشه لپاره.
No, Judy. You cannot go. You don't have place to live.
No Judy. نه Judy. You cannot go. ته نشي کولی چې لاړه شې. You don't have place to live. تا سره ځای هم نسته چې ته واوسیږې.
I will live on the streets. Peter hates me so much.
I will live on the streets. زه به په کوڅو کې اوسیږم. Peter hates me so much. Peter له ما څخه ډیر نفرت کوي.
No, Judy. I will not let you go. I know you need me. You are not alone.
No Judy. نه Judy. I will not let you go. زه به تا پرې نږدم چې ته لاړه شې. I know زه پوهیږم you need me چې ته ما ته ضرورت لرې. You are not alone. ته یوازې نه یې.
I will talk to Peter. You need to rest.
I will talk to Peter. زه به پیټر سره خبرې وکړم. You need to rest. ته ضرورت لري چې آرام وکړې.